a shot of one of my little babies, either Bubba or Scritchy. I'm pretty sure it's got the hiccups. Certainly hope so, because otherwise it's a bit of a worry. I'm going to try to get a better picture, and I'll be quiet just so that you can hear it. Oh, poor little love. And the other noise behind here is one of my other birds. Oops. There we go. Not quite sure what it spilled while I was doing that. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba. And there she is. There. That's it. A nice little drink will get it better. Yeah, that's one of the babies. That one's not one of the babies. I'm not sure who that one is. And over there, you can see two of the Lorikeets. One at the pink watering food container on top of the aviary, and one at the white one underneath it. Hey, Bubba. I don't think she feels comfortable climbing on top of the casserole. I just tried to get something in a hurry this morning because they were quite demandingly hungry and I hadn't had time to wash their things out. Take you for a walk down the backyard and see if there's any in the aviary. Oops. Perhaps best not to put my fingers on top of the optical hole. There we go, down here. And somewhere around here is Bubbles, who's come back. Seems to have a bit of a damaged wing or something. Ah, there's one inside the aviary as well. Unfortunately, I have a water blockage, a leak down here that I've got to fix. Because what I've got happening here, besides the beautiful Lorikeet sitting in here, is you can see the hoses. This is what I did for the aviaries on a timer for the whole time when I've been working. And I just have it dripping down slowly. I used to have, oh look, there's another bird there. I used to have it set to go perhaps every 15 minutes for 3 minutes on the hottest days. And it runs, oh sorry, under the ground here. All the way along here and the little veggie patch I've got going. The only good use I have for a cage is to protect my lettuces and plants until they're big enough. And I've also got it running over here, and as you can see it's just dripping a little bit. Kevin's mum and I decimated this plant the other day. It was overgrown. I think we went a bit too far, but it will grow back. So that's going there, and then the hose is going up on top of Billy's aviary. And I'll come in here, trying to convince Billy to come out. I don't like her being in here so much, but she has issues, I guess. She's been happily staying in here. Oops. Trying to get a picture of her in the back here. What am I getting? Nothing. So that's my hand. Maybe the light's just too bad. See if I can get it from behind her without her lunging at it. Yeah, that's you getting a photo shot taken. Alright. So that's my birds, and there was one of them with the hiccups. And this, if you can see, is my beautiful galah. Saying, yeah, I love you, Mama, but I don't want to come out. Yeah. Yeah, I love you, Mama, but I don't want to come out.